Sleeping Beauty. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But what if I told you Sleeping Beauty is actually DNA? DNA that was asleep for millions of years, and scientists woke it up. So, why the name Sleeping Beauty? Long ago, this DNA element existed naturally in fish and other organisms. Over time, it stopped working. It became inactive, like it was sleeping. Then the scientists reconstructed it in the lab and made it active again. So, just like the fairy tale, Sleeping Beauty was asleep until scientists woke it up. Sleeping Beauty is a transposon system. That's a tool that allows DNA to move from one place to another inside the genome. Now, think of it like a jumping gene. It works using two simple parts, the transposon and the transposase. The transposon is the DNA piece you want to insert, and transposase is an enzyme that cuts and pastes the DNA. So the transposase cuts the transposon and pastes it into the new place into the genome. It's literally cut and paste genetics. Now, scientists use Sleeping Beauty to study gene function, insert genes into cells, develop gene therapy methods, and best part, we can replace viruses. So remember, Sleeping Beauty is DNA that slept for millions of years and now helps scientists rewrite genetics. Thank you.